Hello everyone. We all know that C language is an important computer programming language, but many people have a problem with the different types of questions and answers about C language. Here we will discuss different types of theoretical questions about C language and its answers. Introduction to C. To learn C language, we must first know that what is C language and who developed it. C is a general purpose, procedural, imperative, middle level, structured and system software programming language. C language is considered as the mother language. C is widely used with the Unix operating system. The programming language C was developed in the early 1970s by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories. Now we will know some features of C language. C is a simple, machine independent, middle level programming language. Second point, C is considered the mother language. Third point, C is fast and efficient. Fourth point, a C program runs in the same way on different operating systems. Hence, C has portability capacity. Portability is important if we plan to use a new computer with a different operating systems. Fifth point, C is syntax based and powerful language. C program contains one or more functions. 7 point, C is case sensitive. Why C is called middle level programming language? This question is very much important. Actually, C language binds the gap between a machine level language and high level language. User can use C language to do system programming as well as application programming. Hence, C is called middle level programming language. Now we will know some information about C language. First point, the greatest advantages of using C for programming language is that it can be easily used on different types of computer. Second point, C language used to develop system software and application software. Third point, C language is a successor to B language. Fourth point, C language was invented to develop Unix operating system. Fifth point, C language has been written in assembly language. Sixth point, a C program is basically a collection of functions that are supported by the C library. We can continuously add our own function to C library. With the availability of a large number of functions, the programming task becomes simple. Thank you very much for watching this video.